In this video, I'll detail how to exit or disable assistive access on iPhone on iOS 18. With assistive access, you can put your iPhone on maintenance mode so that if you want to repair your iPhone or anyone is going to use your iPhone without your permission, or you want to give out your iPhone for a couple of minutes, then you can just turn on or set up assistive access to use it. But when you are done setting it up, how do you now exit or disable assistive access on iPhone? So here, I'm going to show you how to do this. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to disable or turn off assistive access on iPhone on iOS 18, all you just need to do is press the side button 3 times. So once you press it 3 consecutive times, you see a pop that says, under assistive access, you have settings, emergency, exit, assistive access, or go back. If you hit the go back button, this is going to return back to the assistive access page. And if you repeat the process and you click settings, this is going to take you to your settings where you need to type in the assistive access passcode. This is all you can do here. Now to exit assistive access or disable assistive access on your iPhone, you just need to just click on exit assistive access. Now you'll be prompted to enter assistive access passcode to exit. Go ahead and type in the passcode. Then if you see exiting assistive access, so this is going to stop all the action on your iPhone. This is going to stop all the action on your iPhone while exiting assistive access on your iPhone, and after a couple of seconds, you'll be taken back to your iPhone home screen where all your applications and setup are intact. Now go back, swipe up, and you should have your iPhone just like this. So that is how you can easily exit or disable assistive access on iPhone on iOS 18. If you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.